This tutorial is going to show you how to digitize your worksheets. This is a more succinct video using the same techniques as my how to digitize assessment sheets and worksheets for Google Classroom video. I will put the link to this video below. I'm going to create a worksheet which is based on textiles, one of the subjects that I teach. And I'm going to start by doing a Google search for a worksheet. So I've already searched for how to thread a sewing machine worksheet, and I've found lots of different options here. Gonna go on to images just to sort of see them a little bit more clearly. And I can see that this one's from the TES. So I'm going to click on there, open the link. And it's a free download. So you don't always have to make your worksheets from scratch. Sometimes other teachers will share their information with you. So I'm going to click on download, and it has downloaded. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open a Google Slides. So I've opened a new tab, and I'm going to go to the apps bar, and I'm going to open Google Slides. And then I'm going to go back to my downloads, and I'm going to find what I've just downloaded, the new worksheet. I'm going to double click on that and open it in Word. It needs to be edited, so I'm just opening it up so it can be edited. And here you can see the worksheet that somebody has spent their time on, and it looks really good. So we could upload that as a Google Doc, and we could assign that to students. The issue with that would be that they would be able to click and delete and edit any areas of text by accident, and they could also add areas of text. We don't want them to do that, so we need to make this into an image. So I'm going to zoom out so I can see the whole screen, and because I'm using a PC, I'm going to use the snipping tool. So on the search bar, I will just type in snip. But if you're using a Chromebook, then you can simultaneously press Control, Shift, and the switch window key, and this will allow you to crop any area and screenshot any area and save it as a picture that way. So with the snipping tool, I will click New, and I'm going to highlight any areas which I would want to become an image. And I am going to right click, save as, save it as sewing machine worksheet. I'm going to save it as sewing machine worksheet, and I just save things into my downloads. Maybe I shouldn't do that. I just find it easy. Save it wherever you find easy to find. Okay, so now I can close that, and I can close that, and we're going back to Google Slides. Here on Slides, you can see that our worksheet is not to A4 proportions. So that's the first thing we need to fix. We'll go to File, Page Setup. You're going to select Custom, and you need to make this to centimeters, 21 by 27, 29.7. And there we have a sheet which is A4 proportions. I'm just going to delete any text boxes at the moment so they don't get in the way. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to fix the background. So we are going to right click and select Change Background. Then we are going to select Choose Image, and we are going to find that image which I just saved in my downloads. I'm going to upload that and click Done. Now here is an image of the worksheet, but if I click down and try to move any part of it or try and delete any part of it, it can't be done. So that's really good for us. It's going to be quite hard for us at this point to write in a specific area though. So to fix that, what we need to do is we need to add some text boxes. So if you go to Insert, Text Box, Now your students will have an area to write in. So I'm just going to Control-C to copy the text box, and I'm going to press Control-V to paste it. And I'm just going to continue to do this. And now I'm going to make some more narrow ones for them to write in here. Narrow but long ones. And Control-C and Control-V those into the correct places. So now you have a worksheet that has a text box in any area where a student might want to write. And yet they can't move the background. So this is what we want. I'm going to save this as sewing machine worksheet. And I'm going to save it in the correct place in my drive. It's always a good idea to save it in the correct place so that you don't run the risk of losing things later. Now you've created a worksheet which can be set as an assignment on Google Classrooms. If you're not sure how to set this assignment, then watch my next video, which is called How to Set Google Classrooms Assignments.